How to add your own music tracks on Spotify. Hey guys, so in this video today, I'm going to show you how you can actually add your own music tracks here on Spotify. So I'll show you step by step on how you can actually do that. So let's go ahead and get right into today's video. So firstly, you can see on my screen right now that I actually have a Playboi Carti unreleased music track. Now, this can be, of course, your own music track, but just make sure that the file of the audio is actually an MP3 file and nothing else. Make sure it's actually one of those. It can be a WAV file or a WAV file as well. So just make sure it's one of the two. But once you actually have that file, you're now going to want to head back to your Spotify. And in Spotify, go ahead and head over to your settings. Now go ahead and click settings here. Once you've done that, head over down to the local files setting and then go ahead and toggle on show local files. Now, once you do that, it should tunnel through all of these songs on your computer or mobile phone. And once it does that, in your library, there should be a new folder called local files folder. Now here, essentially, it's going to show you all of the audio files on your mobile phone or on your computer. Go ahead and click it. Here you can see that there are a lot of files here on my computer. Now, basically, once you're here, you're now going to want to go ahead and add the song that is on your mobile phone or computer. So just go ahead and click the three dots here and add that specific song to a new playlist. So you can see that I actually went ahead and added it to a new playlist, and my own music track is here on this Spotify playlist. So basically, all you have to do now is click download on the Spotify if you have Spotify Premium, and it's going to go ahead and download the track, or if you already have it in a playlist, it's already safe enough in here. So what this does is it'll basically show you the local files, and it's going to go ahead and upload songs that are not on Spotify. So they're pretty sure this transitions to mobile phone as well. So any changes you do on your computer should transfer over to mobile. So if you found this video helpful whatsoever, please consider leaving a like on this video and subscribing. With that being said, that's the end of the video today, and I'll go ahead and see you guys until next time.